Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to write cleaner, more efficient Java code, today's topic is just for you. We will be exploring pattern matching for instance of a cool feature introduced in Java 16. This is going to make your type checks simpler and more readable. Let's get started. So what is pattern matching for instance of? It allows you to not only check if an object is of a certain type, but also declare a variable for it, all in one line of code. Here is a quick example. In this code, we are checking if O is a string. If it is, we immediately assign it to the variable S. Notice how we don't have to do any casting. This makes your code more concise and readable. In Java, before pattern matching for instance of, when you wanted to check if an object was of certain type, like a string, you had to do two things. First, check the type with instance of, and second, manually cast the object to that type. Here's what the code looked like before Java 16. In this example, first we check if object is an instance of string using instance of. If it is, we then cast the object to the string. This part can be repetitive and clunky. After casting, you can finally use it as a string like str.length. The problem is here, the old way required us to do two steps. First, the checking type, and second, manually casting the object. This could get repetitive and made the code less readable. In Java 16 and later, pattern matching for instance of simplifies this by combining both steps into one. What's the difference? You use instance of to check the type and declare a variable like str at the same time. And no need to manually cast anymore. The variable str is already treated as a string. The benefit is here, cleaner code means no more repetitive casting. And the second is the more readable, means you can quickly check and use the variable.